Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Once upon a time, in a lush, green meadow near a magical forest, lived a cute little girl named Barbie. Barbie had golden hair that shone like the sun and bright blue eyes that sparkled with curiosity and joy. She loved spending her days outdoors, exploring nature and making new animal friends. One warm evening, as the sun began to set, Barbie decided to play in the meadow with her favorite creatures, the fireflies and butterflies. The fireflies blinked their tiny lights, and the butterflies fluttered gracefully around her, creating a dance of twinkling lights and colorful wings. Barbie laughed with delight as she chased the fireflies and twirled with the butterflies, feeling the soft grass under her feet. She was having the best time when, suddenly, dark clouds began to gather in the sky. The wind picked up, and Barbie knew a storm was coming. As the first drops of rain began to fall, Barbie took shelter under a large tree. She watched in amazement as the rain poured down, drenching the meadow and the forest. The heavy rain turned the meadow into a glistening wonderland, with raindrops sparkling like diamonds in the fading light. Just as Barbie was about to wonder what to do next, she heard a rustling sound coming from the forest. To her surprise, an elephant, a deer, a duck, and a peacock emerged from the trees. They were seeking shelter from the rain, just like the elephant, with its large ears and gentle eyes, trumpeted a friendly greeting. The deer, with its graceful movements, nuzzled Barbie's hand. The duck quacked cheerfully, waddling around in the puddles, and the peacock spread its magnificent tail feathers, creating a burst of color against the gray sky. Barbie's eyes lit up with joy as she realized she now had some wonderful new friends to play with. The rain didn't seem so bad anymore with such amazing company. They all played together, splashing in the puddles and laughing at the rain. The elephant sprayed water playfully with its trunk, causing Barbie and the duck to giggle and splash even more. The deer leaped gracefully around, and the peacock twirled and showed off its beautiful feathers, making everyone smile. After a while, the rain began to slow, and the clouds started to clear. Barbie looked up at the sky and gasped in wonder. A magnificent rainbow had formed, arching across the sky in a dazzling array of colors. It was the most beautiful rainbow she had ever seen. As the sun peeked through the clouds, the meadow sparkled with raindrops, and the air felt fresh and cool. Barbie and her animal friends stood together, gazing at the rainbow in awe. It was a magical moment, filled with beauty and joy. Barbie hugged each of her new friends, feeling grateful for their company during the storm. "Thank you for making this rainy day so special," she said. The elephant trumpeted softly, the deer nuzzled her cheek, the duck quacked happily, and the peacock spread its feathers once more in a farewell display. As the animals made their way back into the forest, Barbie waved goodbye, a heart full of happiness. She knew she would never forget this magical evening with the fireflies, butterflies, and her new animal friends. The sun set behind the horizon, casting a warm glow over the meadow. Barbie walked back home, humming a cheerful tune and feeling the magic of the day in every step. From that day on, whenever it rained, Barbie would think of the wonderful time she had with the elephant, deer, duck, and peacock, and she would smile, knowing that even rainy days could bring the most unexpected and delightful surprises. As Barbie walked back home, she noticed something colorful in the distance. A cluster of balloons was drifting towards her, carried by the gentle evening breeze. Barbie's eyes sparkled with excitement as she ran to catch them. She managed to grab the strings and hold onto the bright, floating balloons. Just then, the elephant, deer, duck, and peacock emerged from the forest once more, drawn by the sight of the colorful balloons. Barbie's face lit up with joy as she saw her animal friends returning. "Look what I found!" Barbie exclaimed, holding up the balloons. The elephant trumpeted happily, the deer's eyes widened with curiosity, the duck quacked excitedly, and the peacock spread its feathers in a stunning display. Barbie had an idea. She tied a few balloons to the elephant's trunk, which made the big, gentle giant look even more magical. She then tied some to the deer's antlers, creating a charming sight. The duck happily waddled around with a balloon tied to its back, and the peacock strutted proudly, carrying a balloon that complemented its vibrant feathers. They all played together with the balloons, chasing them as they bobbed in the breeze and laughing with delight. The meadow was filled with colors, laughter, and the playful antics of Barbie and her animal friends. As the sun finally set and the first stars appeared in the sky, Barbie knew that this day would forever be one of her most cherished memories. With balloons in hand and a heart full of happiness, she and her friends watched the sky, feeling the magic of their adventure, and so, Barbie and her friends continued to enjoy every moment, creating memories that would last a lifetime, filled with laughter, love, and the magic of friendship. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.